What's your home worth? You're thinking about selling your home and you want to get top dollar for it. Well, finding that sweet spot is as much an art as it is a science. Websites like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com offer estimates using an automated valuation model, which is an AVM. It's a decent starting point, but it's definitely not comprehensive, and quite frankly, it's sometimes way off the mark. The reason being is that AVMs require a general similarity between nearby properties in order to spit out those accurate numbers. So, AVMs work well in subdivisions where the homes are more cookie cutter, but not so much in areas that feature original homes next to properties that may have been completely remodeled or rebuilt, and certainly not in communities with custom-built homes. On the average, AVM's inaccuracy is plus or minus 20%. Now, in order to really hit that target, micro-level information needs to be considered, such as what do nearby homes look like on the inside? What are the finishes, the upgrades, the additions, peculiarities, neighborhood zoning changes, and what are those current trends in style and appeal? Now, this is where art combined with science helps to hit the bullseye. In the real estate world, this is referred to as a CMA, which is a comparative market analysis. Now, if you want to get an idea of what your home will sell for in today's marketplace, here's 5 steps you can take. 1, glance at several real estate sites to get a superficial gauge, keeping in mind that it's usually 20% off either way. 2, you can research zoning and news for future changes in your area. 3, go inside at least 3 similar homes in your area that just sold and price the interior, adding or deleting the value of rooms, garages, pools, docks, etc., anything you find is different than your house. You'll need to take an entire inventory. Now 4, research style and trends to see if your home suits current taste. And 5, try to keep your emotions and attachment out of it. Easier said than done, right? Now, you want to focus on what buyers want and the current competition. Now, these steps can make the difference between selling your home now or a couple years from now. Correct pricing that's in line with current market trends and conditions is the biggest first step to take in selling your home. Now, the next step is marketing it to the right audience, the right way, and the right amount of times. Good luck, and if you decide you want a professional to handle all this, give me a call.